This is going to blow your mind. On this day, we pause to remember, reflect, and rebuild. September 11th, 2001, a day that forever changed our world. Each of us carries a story of where we were and how we felt when the Twin Towers fell. Today, we honor those we lost and the heroes who rose in the face of tragedy. But it's not just about looking back. At InterFaceCures, we're dedicated to creating a safer future. Our operations started with the advanced device screen, Pixetal, and child safety files, aiming to protect the most vulnerable among us. Inspired by stories like Sonia Massey's, a life transformed by a moment with a first responder, our workshops aim to protect the most vulnerable among us. We're building a legacy of peace and compassion, ensuring that future generations are safer and better prepared. Watch MajorLeagueFamily.com/InterFaceCures for more to come on US InterFaceCures. Together we can turn tragedy into hope. Everybody is looking for ways to make a difference. Annex me too. Please. It's free, like if solar panels hooked up to 2 houses at once were free and from the benefits of one. Andrea's story is a testament to this. Grandma studied and un-X-ed or uncliff-edged me, even after my parents went off a dual all-consuming cliff edge and rescued me and my friends. Now we feel safer and way more secure than kids without people in their lives like her.